strong.
Seen in the UK, specifically Southampton Docks, are the WFEL dry support bridges mounted on Rheinmetall manned military vehicle, RMMV HX45M 10x10 heavy-duty off-road military trucks. Philippine Army receives delivery of first batch of HX10x10 DSB dry support bridges. These are said to be bound for the Philippines, which were acquired as part of the Philippine Army's Combat Engineering Equipment Dry Support Bridges Acquisition Project, which is a Horizon 2 phase project under the RAFPMP and awarded to the UK's WFEL as part of a G2G deal between the Philippines DND and UK MOD. Dry support bridge platforms from WFEL, which is the winning proponent for the delivery of at least 2 units of dry support bridges under Lot 3 of the Combat Engineering Equipment or the Dry Support Bridge Acquisition Project of the Philippine Army. The platforms used are the Rheinmetall manned military vehicles or RMMV HX45M 10x10 trucks. Philippine Army takes delivery of first wave of 10x10 heavy tactical vehicles from UK. With the acquisition of the dry support bridge from WFEL, the Philippine Army will be getting its first 10x10 heavy tactical vehicle in the form of Rheinmetall manned military vehicles, RMMV HX45M 10x10 trucks, which the Philippine Army specified. The Philippine Army has been planning to procure heavy tactical trucks like the RMMTHX series or American HEMTT that could carry containers and other specialized cargo but has not been successful in getting funding as part of Horizon 2. The Philippine Army, PA, has procured a number of dry support bridges, DSBs, from British military bridging systems manufacturer WFEL. This was confirmed by WFEL in a press release in June 2021. Which also mentioned that the military bridges were acquired under the Horizon 2 phase of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, AFP, modernization program. The new DSBs can be deployed within 90 minutes to provide temporary bridging infrastructure in support of military operations and can also be used for disaster relief operations. It also has a 120-ton military load classification, which would allow it to support heavy military and civilian vehicles, including main battle tanks and engineering equipment. The Philippine Army chose the Rheinmetall manned military vehicles, RMMV, 45 meters 10x10 system, as the DSB system can be mounted on a choice of select military heavy vehicles. The new DSBs will be manufactured at WFEL's production facility in Stockport, UK, and delivered by 2023. These would equip the Philippine Army's combat engineering units. The DSB systems can be deployed in around 90 minutes to provide temporary infrastructure and will be supplied with pedestrian walkways for use in disaster relief operational situations as well as other military scenarios. The Philippine Army, having a choice of launch vehicle chassis for its bridges, opted for the Rheinmetall manned military vehicles, RMMV, 45 meters 10x10 systems. Intended for use by the Philippine combat engineers, the dry support bridges will be manufactured at WFEL's production facility in Stockport, UK. Delivery will begin in 2023. An integrated logistics support package is also included in the contract for this new combat engineering equipment, ensuring backup and support from WFEL's technical engineering teams and giving confidence to the combat engineers in continued through-life support and spares availability. Ian Anderton, WFEL's managing director, commented, "We warmly welcome the Philippine Army into our ever-growing user base of DSB military bridging systems. We are proud of the fact that the dry support bridge is the world's most technically advanced, rapidly deployable military bridge of its type and has proven its worth in both combat and disaster relief situations time after time. By adopting the dry support bridge, the Philippine Army is ensuring it has the future capability to quickly maneuver across wet and dry gaps in complex, physical terrain, including man-made gaps, ravines, and rivers, as efficiently as possible and under the widest possible operational scenarios." With a 120-ton military load classification, the dry support bridge was initially designed and developed by WFEL for the U.S. Army. Offering full interoperability with any other DSB bridging system, it has been adopted by various countries worldwide, including the USA, Turkey, and Australia. Switzerland has also acquired a number of dry support bridges and is known to have extensively deployed the DSB as temporary infrastructure following flooding and other natural disasters. This increasing worldwide user base provides an off-the-shelf, low-risk military bridging solution. The DSB is currently being evaluated by the UK MOD as a replacement for their BR-90 bridging systems.